I know y'all sick of seeing the pink, but hey, I had to get this out to you. So welcome to my how to reel series. If this is your first time catching one of my videos, be sure to click the playlist of how to so you can make your content better and pop in and stand out from the rest. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add music to your reel.
That Illuminati mess. Paparazzi catch my fly and my cocky fresh.
And it's a screen recording, don't worry. So after you finish creating your reel, and I'm just gonna pull up my Instagram and just go off of the one we just created. Drafts. Screen record. So now that you have your reel created, you want to have some music to it, you want to give it a little flair, you're going to click this second button at the top with the music sign. And you can search for music in here and it will want to pick music. So I want to do, I've been feeling this song, y'all, by Donnell. I think that's his name. Donnell Jones. I'll go. This is the song. So this one will pop up, and you can also save your songs that you want to continue to use, or if you got a song that you say I will always use this for content, you can bookmark it. So I'm gonna click I'll go. Yes. I should make the video long. That's where I'll go. Okay. So let me turn this down. So now we have the video, and you see these three dots. They usually have in the music where there's the popular starting point for this particular song. So you can change it to any of those. And when I say it's the popular starting point for those songs, where people are using them at the most, are creating their content the most with them. And now we have the music. And I think I need to make this bigger or longer. Let's add a clip. We gonna make the video longer, y'all, because I need 15 seconds. I need for y'all to hear this music. Okay, here we go. Okay. I think we got 15 seconds. So that is how you add music to your Instagram reel within the Instagram app. I will say that if you do register your business within Instagram, your social media profile with Instagram as a business, they don't give you a variety of songs to work with at all. You can't use the copyrighted music such as Beyonce song. You won't be able to use that. So register your account as a creator account, and I believe, yeah, register your account as a creator account. Or if you do, you still can use songs that are other sounds of other people if they haven't copyrighted the sound. That is how you add music to your Instagram reel, and how you can save that music to find at a later date for another reel that you're going to make. And don't forget to check out the How to Reel series so you can elevate your content and make creating reels fun and easier. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below how I can make this more detailed for you, or if this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Bye.
So I rock his rock necklaces. My daddy Louisiana. You mix that Negro with that Creole, make a Texas Bama. I like my baby hair with baby hair and afro. I like my Negro nose with Jackson 5.